LiveGood Affiliate Compensation Plan. At LiveGood, your health and wellness will always be our #1 focus. That's why we eliminate the middleman, to make the highest quality products on the planet available to our customers and members for a fraction of the price of the competition. And on top of the huge savings you get when you purchase any of our life-changing products, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. In fact, you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. And if you decide to share our amazing products and compensation plan with others, you can earn even more. Become an affiliate. Earn income 6 ways. 1. Weekly fast start commissions. For each person who you refer to LiveGood who becomes a member and an affiliate for $49.95, we will reward you with a $25 commission paid out the very next week. Plus, if any of the people you enroll choose to enroll others, not only will they be rewarded, but you will also receive additional bonus commissions up to 10 levels deep. Weekly fast start commissions are paid out on the first month's membership and on the $40 affiliate sign-up fee. So you will receive $5 for any new members that you refer, plus $20 for any new affiliates you refer. Since many people join as both a member and an affiliate, you will receive both of those amounts for a total of $25 paid out the very next week. 2. Matrix commissions. When you lock in your position in LiveGood, you are given your own business center and our fast-filling 2x15 matrix. As more people join LiveGood every week, they are placed in the matrix under everyone who is already in there, following their enroller. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher your position will be in the matrix. All percentages are based on monthly $9.95 membership fees. Commissions for members who join at the yearly option will be paid out over 12 months as $9.95 per month. Matrix commissions and matching bonuses are paid monthly the first week of each month for the previous month's matrix volume. Remember, the first month's membership is paid out in fast start commissions only. So matrix volume starts to accumulate on members' second month membership and beyond. Example, if you joined LiveGood in January and you have 50 members under you in the matrix in January, you would not earn a matrix commission for January because only fast start commissions are paid on first month memberships. Assuming all 50 of those members remained active in February, you would receive your first matrix commission the first week of March for those 50 members in your matrix who paid their second month memberships in February. If another 100 members were placed in your matrix in February, for a total of 150 active members in your matrix, for the matrix commissions that go out first week of March for February matrix volume, you would be paid on 150 members in your matrix, 50 who paid their third month membership, and 100 who paid their second month membership. Keep in mind, in this example all 150 members were under you in the matrix in February, but you only got paid on 50 of them for that month, because those 50 paid their second month membership, while the other 100 who joined in February, their first month memberships were paid out in fast start commissions. So if you see people under you in the matrix that you didn't earn matrix commissions on this month, that means that was their first month and only fast start commissions were paid on their first membership. You will be paid matrix commissions on them next month and beyond. 3. Matching bonuses. As huge as the fast start commissions and matrix bonuses are, our matching bonuses are even bigger. On top of the $2,047.50 or up to $16,383.50 that you can earn in your personal matrix, you will also match 50% of the matrix commissions on everyone you enroll, and a percentage everyone those people enroll 5 enrollment generations deep, regardless of where they fall in your matrix. Example, if you have 10 personally enrolled people who are each earning $6,000 per month in their matrix, you will match 50% of what they earn in their matrix. That means you will earn a $3,000 matching bonus on each of them every month, for a total of $30,000, 10 people x $3,000 each, in commissions just on those 10 people alone. And that doesn't include what you will earn in your matrix, plus potentially hundreds or thousands of other people you could be matching in our other generations. If you are a platinum, for example, you will also get the gold and silver generation matches. So someone on your second silver generation may also be your first generation gold, and your first generation platinum, so you would get a 10% second generation silver match, a 5% first generation gold match, and a 5% first generation platinum match on that person's entire matrix. There is no limit as to how many people you can match, or how much you can earn in matching bonuses. Matrix commissions and matching bonuses are paid out the first week of each month for the previous month's volume starting your second month, as all initial orders are paid out in fast start commissions. 4. Retail commissions. Each one of our life-changing products has a member price and a retail price. While most people choose to take advantage of our amazing membership for just $9.95 per month so they can save much more with member pricing, some people may just want to make purchases at retail prices. As an affiliate of LiveGood, anytime one of your referrals makes a purchase as a retail customer, you will earn 50% of the difference between the member price and the retail price. retail commissions are paid following the same payout structure as fast start commissions. Unlike fast start commissions that are only paid out one time, retail commissions can be earned unlimited times every time a retail customer places an order. Example, if you refer a new customer who chooses to pay the retail price for a product for $24 for example, and the member price for that product is $16, the difference between the member price and the retail price is $8. So at the 50% level you would earn a $4 commission on that person's purchase. 5 influencer bonuses. For affiliates who choose to market products to retail customers on a larger scale, you will earn additional bonuses on all of that volume. In fact, you will earn up to 100% of the difference between the member price and the retail price on all orders by your referred retail customers. Influencer bonuses are paid exclusively based on personally enrolled retail volume per month, regardless of rank. Example, if you have over $25,000 in retail customer volume in a given month, and the member pricing for that volume totals $17,000, for example, the difference between the member price and the retail price is $8,000. You will earn 50%, $4,000, in retail commissions, plus an additional 40%, $3,200, in influencer bonuses for a total of $7,200 in commissions on that volume. 6 Diamond Bonus Pool. Our affiliates are a huge part of the success of our company. We recognize that and want to reward you even more by allowing you to share in the total sales of the entire company. Once you achieve Diamond rank, you will share in 2% of total company sales every month. Diamond Pool. 2% split between all qualified Diamond ranked members. 2% of the total sales of all membership and product sales gets divided evenly between all qualified Diamond ranked affiliates and paid out with monthly commissions. Become an affiliate.